Hi guys, I'm not making these videos to prove anything or to achieve anything, but I have been constantly aware of these things going around me, and I see my friends or some people going through this. So I really wanted to address this, and I think social media, where everybody is trying to portray their talents, I thought it's a good platform to share and to reach out people in this. So yeah, today I really want to talk about depression. Okay, I see people, even if some are sharing or some are not sharing, but a lot of people are going through this these days, and let us not be ignorant of this. Okay, before it reaches to a level where we are unable to help someone, let us all take an effort or and acknowledge it. Okay, so maybe if you are not having a severe depression or something, but yeah, somewhere I see people going through it, and a lot of our loved ones or friends are going through it. Okay, and we cannot stay silent, or we cannot be ignorant about it. Okay, so what I understand after talking to people, what I understood depression is, I think depression, when I close my eyes, I just see darkness. Okay, there is darkness, and I don't see anything else. So I think depression is something like that, where you surround, or you are sinking in some sort of darkness, and your body is heavy, that you are not able to come out of it. Okay, and this darkness is not so easy. Okay, so this ocean of darkness is so huge that this person feels sinking in all the time. Okay, even if they're trying to come out of it, it's not so easy. So we really need to help them to come out of it. Okay, so why? This is my belief that we have God, okay, who created us and who is so mindful and who really cares about us. On the other hand, there is an enemy, okay, who really want to destroy your life with his darkness. So this is a battle. This is not you who are at fault, but this is a battle, constant battle. Okay, and we really need to fight it. Okay, so how can we fight with this? I know this video that I have made, it is not gonna help the people who are already going through depression, but yeah, I really want you to take a moment and observe and think if any of you are have started going through anxiety or stress, because as I earlier mentioned, your mental health matters. It matters because all the battle, all the challenges starts here. So if this is not right, your whole body, your functioning, everything will be disbalanced, so nothing is gonna help. So yes, so please address it before it is too late. What can you do, what can I do to help this? I know this is lockdown, we are not able to go and meet people, so what you can do, don't isolate yourself. Even in house, don't isolate yourself, and don't give enough empty time in your to your mind to process any kind of negativity. Okay, so if you are not able to go and meet people, try to reach out to them, and try to stay in touch with them, or uh, start investing your time into your hobbies. Maybe if that helps, start investing your time to paint or music or to dance or to singing. Anything that pleases or that you enjoy, start investing your time into that. Okay, second thing is, if you feel pain, if you feel stress, if you feel worried, share it with someone. Even if you don't have anyone coming and asking you, just grab someone's hand and tell them, okay, I am going through this, I have to take it out of my mind. Don't think that this pain is so personal to me and nobody will ever understand and it will never be helped. Don't think that way. Your pain and your struggle matters, and it exists for real, and it is not your problem or your mistake. Okay, so do address it. You go to people, find someone, your parents or anyone, and just tell them what you feel, what you're going through. Okay, release it out of your mind. Don't let it be collected to your mind and then blast like tumor. Okay, so please do that. Third thing, what you should do is surround yourself with the right people. Okay, don't keep toxicating people around you who are polluting or who are giving you tension all the time or who are being negative about you. They might be your friend for the sake of like not hurting someone. You're letting someone give you negativity or give you toxic thoughts or toxic experience. So don't let that happen. Don't hurt anyone, but yeah, try. If you feel that person is actually causing a damage to your mental health, try to maintain distance. Fourth point would be, please be careful about your words, what you tell others or what you convey or what you share to others. Please be careful. I know sometimes we just pass statements or we just tell something very casually, and it might not be in our understanding it might be not harmful, but sometimes it can be harmful to others. It might take someone's peace away. So please be generous towards each other and think what you are telling. Okay, think before you tell anything negative or anything which might hurt someone. Be really careful about your words. Fifth point would be, check on others. I know we are already so busy with ourselves, but when God has given us all these relationship, mother, sister, husband, wife, or parents, He has also given us the responsibility to take care of them. Okay, so even if they seem fine or now they are not sharing, if you see they are low, please go and check out to them that what is wrong, are you okay, doing well, anything that you can help them, or just show love. I believe love is something which can heal anything, bitterness or differences, hurt, shame, guilt, anything. So please show love, be generous to each other. So I hope whatever I shared helped and at least someone out there. And if you relate and if you think someone is in need, please don't hold back. Go and reach out to them. And if you are in need, please don't hold back or keep it or don't make it so personal. Go and share it with others, because you have got one life to live, and your life, your time, you really matters. So stay safe, take care of yourself, and stay happy.